Okay, friends. First of all, let me wish Happy Diwali to everyone. And today is Dhanteras. If you see, then this is the time to buy gold for those who believe in that tradition. Actually, so happy Dhanteras to everyone. Happy Diwali to everyone in advance, and Happy New Year to Happy New Year. That is Sal Mubarak to all Gujaratis in advance. Yeah, I am Gujarati, so that is the reason I put Happy New Year or Sal Mubarak to all Gujaratis in advance. Yeah. Okay, so these are the Diwali picks. Yeah. Buy and hold till next Diwali. Interesting information. So this is my 100 video, and that after 100 video, I'm asking everyone to like, comment, and subscribe to whatever videos you guys are viewing. If you like the content, you like it. If you have comments, you put the comments. If you want to subscribe to the channel, you can subscribe to the channel. Okay, friends, thank you. So let's go into the details of the Diwali special picks. Okay, so as once again, happy Dhanteras to everyone, happy Diwali to everyone in advance, happy New Year, Sago Para to all Gujaratis in advance. Let's discuss on the Diwali picks. One can buy this Diwali and sell it on the next Diwali. This is my 100 videos, so a bit choosy on the stock selections. Tried not to repeat any of my earlier recommendations. Okay. I could have done that easily because those were my favorite stocks, but I thought not to repeat it. Yeah. So the investment rationale is the consumption theory, which I like the most. And consumption theory is the only everlasting theory which has worked since decades. So let's pick some stocks on this concept. Yeah. Sometimes this gives problems. It does not work at times. Okay, so these are the Diwali picks. The investment rationale is consumption. This is the 100 video. So let's see how the 100 video works out as far as the performance is concerned of the stocks recommended. Okay, so on one side we have put some large caps, on the other side we have put some small caps or some interesting ideas, you can say. Okay, the first one is in real estate, that's Godrej Properties. Other is IRCTC, ITC, BPCL, HPCL, and IOCL. Now this looks a bit interesting. Advanced Enzymes, PAP, Automotive, Morgan Lab, VIP Industries, Tata Coffee, and Balkrishna Industries. I have a lot of stock to recommend, but I've already done some, and I'm already confident on those already recommended. This I didn't try to repeat the stocks which earlier I had recommended, and hopefully the right hand stock should do very well because they are normally small cap companies. Left hand side stocks are a bit like ITC, HPPC, LHP, safe stocks and consumption stocks. So that is the reason of recommendation. But all the stocks will do very well. Let's hope next Diwali. I'm 100% sure it is going to double from these prices. 100% returns are coming for sure next Diwali. So this slide I made basically just to, there is a euphoria in Bank Nifty. It is rising so much. It's having a crazy move. Nobody can believe such move. I've never seen such move on indices so far in such a short time. That is the rationale behind putting this slide particularly. Okay, crazy move on Bank Nifty, about 25 to 30% in 10 days. Please don't forget, it's not a stock, it's an index. Normal index does not give such moves, but this is the first time I have seen an index giving such move. Okay, that too when the economics is not supportive to the crazy rally in the Bank Nifty. There are job cuts, people are losing jobs. There is no demand currently because of COVID. Okay, these two reasons and the market rallying are contradicting to themselves. Okay, so although Bank Nifty has rallied so much, you can offload your Bank Nifty stocks and get into the stocks which have corrected very badly. I mean the consumption stocks which I'm talking about. like the automobiles, like the paint companies, like the tire companies. Such companies you can get in. I'm not saying that Bank Nifty will stop from here and not rally. Okay, there is a probability it can rally, but the fundamentals are not supportive to the rally in the Bank Nifty. That is what my understanding is. But my market is supreme. Nobody expected 25 to 30% in 30 days in Bank Nifty. In stocks, you can expect, but not in indices. That too, when the fundamentals are not supportive, the economics is not correct. Okay, the market always predicts what is going to happen in future and rallies. So let's see how it turns out. I am not supportive of the Bank Nifty rally. I'm not going to buy any Bank Nifty stocks other than the stocks which have corrected very heavily in the Bank Nifty, in the banking stocks, like AU Small Finance Bank. It's a good bank. Okay, so this is my perception of the rally in Bank Nifty. It's a crazy rally. Don't believe in this rally. Don't get greedy. Don't get carried away. Don't try to buy stocks at this price. If you want to buy stocks at this price, then be prepared for a longer time frames, not a shorter time frames. Okay, it is always wise to book profits after a 30% rally in indices. As far as index is concerned, that also it is running without fundamentals. So always try to book profits. But our concept is to hold for 3 to 5 months. That is the reason now we are not booking profits still. Okay, and this is a crazy rally in Bank Nifty. I don't support this kind of rallies. 25 to 30% in 30 days, phenomenal. You can't believe. Okay, so it's time to book profits in most of the banking stocks. Consumption themes is a buy on dips. Control your grade, think wisely, don't get carried away. That is what I wanted to say. Stay away from options if you want to make money in the market unless you have expertise to trade in option. Option is one of the worst things, worst instrument to earn money unless you are an expert to deal with that. Yeah. So this was my view on Bank Nifty and the Nifty. I would recommend you to book profits in most of the banking stocks. Even book profit of index stocks unless you are a long-term investor, 3 to 5 years horizon. Yeah, the consumption stocks will do well. Pharma will do well. Automobile will do well. IT will do well. Yeah, but you need to buy in a staggered way. 25% buy at the current price. Wait for some dips to get in 25%. At 50% you sit on cash. This is the way investment is done in markets. If you put your money at one go, you'll be crying. Okay. So hope this ideas of on Diwali works out well and you make good money next Diwali. So the stocks I'll be tracking for sure, but let's control our greed. Yeah. Okay, and try to be logical in whatever trades we do. This is the disclaimer I put out for every video. This is for educational purpose. This is my personal view, and everyone should take a decision on the stock I talk about will do their own independent research. I'm merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on any investment. Okay, I am not a SEBI registered advisor or an analyst. Okay, okay, guys. Once again, happy Dhanteras, happy Deepavali, and Sal Mubarak to all Gujaratis. Disclosure is I am a Gujarati. I belong to Surat. Yeah, that I'll be putting in the disclosure in the channel. Okay, but currently settled in Oman. Yeah, settled in Oman means I'm working since last 10 years in Oman in an oil and gas company. But stock market is my passion. That is the reason why videos on. Okay, guys. Thank you. Hope you like this video. If you have any comments, please do put in YouTube comments. Yeah, and if you have any ideas on the videos to be captured in, please let me know. Thanks, friends. Happy Diwali. Thank you.